This video is made adult collectors for age 30+. Viewer description is advised.
What is up guys, it is your boy Michael here and welcome back to a Michael unboxing review. So today we'll be tipping at the last one for the wave 2 is Yolopark, the Transformers or Transformers G1 MK mini series wave 2 model kits Hound. He's an Autobot scout, but these are the vehicles of the Mitsubishi J59 Jeep or something. So this is the weapons from the Howlers, like the hologram guns or the blasters with something, missiles on the shoulders on the missile. This color green. This is from the Autobots and for the 80s cartoons or something. So this one, the background. This one it looks so holographic. It looks so nice. And this one with the to the left one for the Autobots logo. Yeah, this one looks so cool. And then the Transformers logos or something. 8+ for the 11 centimeters. This one, the Yolopark logos, and we got this. No glue required, no painting required, and no tools required. And this one does something about it. This one. So into this one here. So let's get started with the boxing one. So this one the back on the side. And there you guys see, I think it's nothing here. This box is the same one. And they got the instructions from the Hound. This one for this wide body for the 11 centimeters for this one. That's so pretty. You know, that's just pretty exciting for this one. The trend, that's the same thing. As you can see, look at the back of the packaging for this one. The Hound, this one, the green instructions. You can collect them all on this, like Optimus Prime, Hound, Jazz, RC, PROWL, and the CLIFFJUMPER. Sorry, wrong that name. The instruction consigns, or this one, with the languages, whatever this was once. You can. I don't have anything for the transparent version for this, the blinding unboxing. So let's get the boxing of this one here. Not excited this one here. And you guys see this one. I don't know what is problem or the idea for this one, and the wave 3 version of the Dog and the Moon for the Optimus Prime and Megatron for something. This looks pretty weird. Okay, if you don't like this video, smash the like, subscribe button, notification bells for the notified of the latest videos. Alright, let's get it started, shall we? Alright, let's get an open unboxing. So this one here, I got it. This is a plastic stickers from the site. What is this? So I'm gonna put these fingers on this one, losing my mind. Man, that's just kind of a stickers. This really stinky. Alright, here we go. Man, this stickers are so stuck in this one. Okay, here we go. So this one here with Hound. I got this one here. Hey, you gotta see in this one. So this one, whoa, sorry Hound. And this one, that will definitely get for the site. And then this is the same thing with the QR code for the English, Chinese, Cantonese, whatever. Alright, what's it? This is the blur or something. It's so weird. That's awful. And this one, this one there, this one there. You guys see the instructions. So this is instructions with this Hound. I don't know. Definitely, this will look same with this character. Oh wait, I forgot for this the secret card for this one. Wait, where's the card? Oh shoot! What the? This is the back of the site. Oh. The secret unboxing, the hiding in this one, the instructions. So this one Hound, it is 11 centimeters. It looks so crazy, looks so nice. And this one, the holographic logos or holographic backgrounds, looks so sick. And this one, the back of the QR code. This is us. Whatever. Let's go to the building up. And I'm finishing with the building with the Hound MK mini series wave 2. So this one here for this is the G1 cartoon version. It looks so better though, and I kind of laugh at this when watching the Transformers G1 as well, because that's really disappointing for this. The Hound one, this is the left one, the wrist hands does not have much the fit doesn't look as well. And so let's get to talk about this one. So Hound one, this looks pretty good. And this one, the model kits figures, it looks so really good though. And I got the, as you can see, looks like the color dark gray and then green with the white one. We got the yellow line for this metallic silver, and this is one the this the light blue face. And you guys see the light blue face. And it gets the we got the blue eyes on this one, the color pink. Looks like the painting job for the Yolopark. This one here, and this one. The really disappointed for this the app crunch with the MK miniseries. The real Yolopark is so disappointed this one. I don't have any actually recommended. And they got the background blue, like on this one, the blue screen, and this is a windshield. This is a windshield. This is what it's called. And those are really this shoulder pad, and this with the articulation, particularly and. Mostly, I don't really actually know. So this one here with the shoulder blaster for this one nowadays, it looks like they will call the shoulder missile or shoulder blaster or something. I don't know what you're talking about. And this one here, that is the hips one there. There's a hinge one. This the legs one for this one here, and this the feet smell, and they got the thighs and the arms. With the wrist, the torso or chest, and this one the body round, the biceps swivel, and the up crunch. This one the panel for this is pieces of the peg one. That is really because the Yolopark really disappointed this one today, but it's actually really good. And it's look at these figures. We got pieces of the with the cheap chest on this one here. That's not really good for the model kits figures. So let's get to talk about this being hologram guns, and it looks pretty nice. I love this shiny silver paint details. So this one and back and talking about, and so I really this is kind of pretty amazing the painting job with the Yolopark this one there. And let's get to see that's on the accessories one. Oh, the accessories one. So this one the alternate version, the open hands one with the first. So I really don't know what is going on here with this Yolopark. At this one the back and actually this one is the okay. Anyways, I'm gonna see this one the face sculpt details and the face sculpt details. And then you get a face sculpt details and the head sculpt. It looks so nice. And you guys see the plastic and the material, and this with tire. The tire, this one here. They also tire for this, so not painted details with the Yolopark. They better the cartoon version. So better than the blockies of this phone as well. But this and the problem of the left hands. So the joints does not have the fits. So look at this. So this is one here. That's not the big one, or this smaller fit than this one there. And you can ask to see the whole graphic cards, and this one the whole cards, and this is the 11 centimeters MBK mini series weight 2. It looks pretty nice, and you get a back of the code and the visit us. It looks so nice, the QR code. Alright guys, so let's get it articulation time. So this one, the hold one for the first off, we need the head. This one, we got up and down, we got it side by side, looking up, looking down, or whatever. The up and down, this one, the looking up or looking down. And this one here, side by side, the swivel. And we got the shoulder missile or shoulder blaster, up and down. We got arms, the right one. We got the side by side, up and down, 360 rotation. And we got the bicep swivel and the bicep swivel. We got a bicep swivel. We got swivel 360 rotation. We got the elbows with the full bend. We got the up and down. We got the rest of the hands. 360 rotation. This one, it looks so nice. And we got the left one. We got the side by side, up and down. We got the rotation, the 360 rotation. And we got the bicep swivel. We got the rotation, 360. We got a bicep swivel. We got the full bend. We got the elbows, the up and down. We got the hands, the wrist. The really disappointed. This is the left one. Both we got a 360 Looks so nice. We gotta see the upcons, the waist one, or the torso or chest, whatever the names. Little bit up and down a little bit. This one I kind of really what's that. So rotation on this rotation. This one. Oh, we got a 360. Oh, we're falling down the left one with hands. And we got a 360 of rotation. So we got to put it down on, and we got the legs one. Oh man, my hands left of this so falling off and this popping off here. And we got the legs one for the side by side, up and down. The dice, swivel, 360. We got it on knees, the double joints, the up and down. We got the legs one, swivel, the feet one of swivel. We got the 360 rotation. Looks so nice. We got the on the knees, up and down. Feet again, up and down. So, swivel like the rotation of 360. We got the legs one on the left, side by side, up and down. We got the dice. Okay, we got dice here. We got a dice. The knees of this one here. The knees on the up and down. The double joints. The joints. They are really that's not really good to handle as well. The feet one, the up and down. We got a side by side for this one here on the feet. Rotation 360 on the rotation. That's the really good. Alright, guys, for this one there. So this is how it looks pretty good. Actually, the Molokids figures, and then this one here. So really got the size comparison. So size one, and this one I'm using roller because that's not a rusty of this one there. But my pets, a dog and cats or whatever. This is an sorry, Hound. And they got them. I'm really disappointed with the Hound with this. I really don't actually really. The left one, the problem is that's not popping off at this one here. And we got the same images. We have the worst Molokids figures ever. Like the 12.5 centimeters. We got and also we have this higher. We got the 4.8 inches. Okay, that's not have a really good size one here. And we got a size comparison with the BLOKEES Transformers Dark of the Moon Classic Class, Jack with Optimus Prime, MK made a series Wave 1 Optimus Prime T1 version, and also me, T13 Lucky 13 Dummy, whatever this is the name is. They're also a little bit smaller but higher, and this one did with the big T13 with the size of with the all around this one here, because they're just not a little bit smaller with hull, and this looks bigger than this one, the smaller hull. And there's the one about this really good figures of that as well. Okay, so I'm gonna give you with the rating with the Hulk is give it a 6.5 out of 10. It looks pretty fine, but actually really good for the Molokids figures. And this was one the look at the biggest disappointing with the Hulk with this. The problem is the wrist hands. The wrist hands on the left, where they were sort of popping off and falling off of this one here. I kind of really don't not like it for the Yolopark. It looks better with the BLOKEES as well. I love the BLOKEES. So I'm gonna say with the birthday celebration of my birthday in July 11, I really cut in for the mystery on my birthday gift for them as well. So I'm gonna say with this one here. The Molokids figures looks actually really good though. So anyways guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Leave a like and subscribe to the channel, notification bells for the notified for the latest videos. Follow us on social media so you guys see the looks so pretty nice. What's your favorite Transformers Molokids toys, and you guys see what's the plan at the end as well, the big dance of that. So anyways guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Hope you join us. See you there on my next video. Bye, peace.